Welcome to another Sethioz reviews. Today we have mini smart sockets from Gosund. Came in a pack of 2. I went ahead and opened one just to set it up and test it all out, see what it was all about. But the little packaging is sufficient. It works really nice. You can scan these QR codes to download the app required for setup. Comes with a set of instructions here. From what I understand, it's pretty much just plug and play. You simply just plug it in, the little button on the side flashes. You install the app on your phone, pair the app with the hardware, and it works. There was no real issues with setup, no real complications. You can get more into it by setting it up with a Alexa to control your devices, such as telling Alexa to turn on your lights for you. This is a perfect little device just for stuff like that. Get into the unboxing here. Again, it's just a simple little box with a magic force field. Keeps it closed. There we go. Opens up. Got your set of instructions and just your simple little plug. Off camera work because the thing came off. There you go. So yeah, it's just a decent little packaging, keeps everything nice and in place. Had these little safety plastic on it, but don't really need that. So yeah, you just basically plug it in, this little button flashes. When that starts flashing, you go into the app, you pair it with the device, and that's it. You can set it up to a timer, you can set it up to a schedule, or you can just turn it on and off with your phone. Unfortunately, obviously, I can't do that since I'm recording with my phone, so I can't show that part of it, unfortunately. But this is, here it is all set up, just on a regular extension cord. I have it currently plugged into a lamp. As you can see, it works just fine as a regular outlet with a little on-off switch. The only thing I did notice is it does seem to get a little warm, but I've had it plugged in for about an hour now and it hasn't gotten hot, so I guess that's safe. I'm gonna look into it a little bit more, see if it's I don't think it's waterproof, so I don't suggest using it outside. There is another one I saw on the website for it that's rated for things like air conditioners and larger appliances, so you wouldn't want to plug an AC unit into the smaller ones, I would assume. Let's see, it's 12 volt 120 volt input, only a 10 amp outlet, 1200 watt. Okay, so yeah, you definitely wouldn't want to set this up to something large like an AC unit, but for things like lamps, speakers, stereo equipment, things like that, it would be just fine. The app wasn't very intrusive. It did require an account setup, but it was just basically an email. They send you a code, you put the code into the app, you sign into your Wi-Fi, and it all pairs off. Nothing real major. The app seems to handle all the different software. I've had other devices like this that were a lot more of a pain to get all set up. This one seemed to be very straightforward and good to go. You went ahead and checked on YouTube. Gosund does have their own channel to go through the instructions and set up installation instructions through them. So that was kind of helpful. Didn't really need it, but it was good that they do provide that for you. But yeah, that's it. That's the Gosund Mini Smart Socket. It's very useful. Nice little device here. I'm going to find some kind of use for it. Definitely probably put one in the kids' room just to make sure their lights turn off at night after bedtime. But yeah, so if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. Thank you.